Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Black Hills AI webinar, Otto IP for Trademarks, Analyzing Search Reports and Other Documents. A recording of this episode and the slides will be made available on the Black Hills AI YouTube channel, as well as the Black Hills AI website. Feel free to enter any questions using the Q&A feature in the Zoom menu. We invite you to follow us on LinkedIn and to visit our website to learn about our other webinars. And with that, I will turn things over to Mike.
Great, thanks, Sydney. Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining today. My name is Mike Crivero, and I'm excited to introduce you to some of the trademark-specific features in Otto IP. Today, I'll walk you through how Otto IP can help transform the critical workflows in your trademark practice. To start, I'd like to introduce you to the Otto IP team, which includes our CEO, Jim Hallenbeck, our Chief AI Officer, Tom Marlowe, our online services product lead, Scott Otto, our training and development support specialist, Erica Wynn, and myself. I know it's been a while since our last webinar. I wanted to quickly reintroduce Black Hills AI for those attending who are new or might not be familiar with us and what we do. We were founded over 14 years ago by IP professionals. We're an industry leader in implementing end-to-end automation for our clients, which includes processing correspondence, docket updates and verification, and reporting, all done by our automation system. Otto IP is our next step and offers a forward-facing solution to our clients. I'm now going to take a moment to quickly introduce the tool and its key features. Otto IP is an AI virtual associate created specifically for IP professionals by IP professionals. Our leadership team has sat in your seats, and that experience is the backbone of not only Otto IP, but all of our solutions. We developed Otto IP to be a general purpose tool that anyone at the firm can utilize to create better efficiency, including attorneys, paralegal, and staff. Otto IP allows users to easily organize their sessions by client, case, or matter through the ability to create private and shared workspaces. Each workspace can contain multiple chat sessions and unique files. We also understand that you have unique needs for each of your projects, and Otto offers multiple session modes, including conversational, image generation, image analysis, diagram generation, and guided skills. Guided skills are preloaded prompts and LLM instructions created to help you tackle specific tasks. These guided skills provide standardization and minimize the training needed. We currently have 20 trademark-specific guided skills available within the tool, and users can also create their own guided skills and prompts for greater customization. Some examples of trademark-specific guided skills include office action analysis and response drafting, clearance search analysis, analyzing watch notices, portfolio analysis, and application preparation. Lastly, we understand security is paramount both to you and your clients, and security is a core focus of Otto IP. The tool implements a zero retention API, which means none of your data is retained for training purposes. Otto IP is also closed off from the internet, so everything that you do is done in complete confidentiality. You can delete data and documents at any time. We also support single sign-on for enterprise-level access control. The first trademark-specific guided skill that I wanted to show today is for analyzing your clearance search reports. Otto IP can help with a rapid, comprehensive review of your search results, whether it's a quick knockout search or a full clearance report. Otto IP can also provide strategic recommendations for your path forward and help draft client communication that you can quickly send. What you see here is a workspace that I've preloaded with a couple different search reports. So each of these tiles here are the different documents that are uploaded. You can download files. You can do a quick AI summary. The paperclip icon allows you to attach to the chat session. You can delete the file. You can rename, and then the icon in the top right allows you to upload additional files. Clicking the plus button will allow you to start a new session, and I'll click Launch Guided Skill. This is the guided skill menu. You'll see there's 78 total in the tool. At the top, you'll see what you've recently used. You can filter by tag. So again, the 20 specific trademark guided skills that are available. You can also search by name. Within each guided skill tile, you'll see two icons. The first one here is the info button. When you click on this, what you'll be able to see is the user guide, which is instruction for the user, LLM instructions, which is additional context for Otto to work from, any preloaded resource documents, and then the available prompts within the guided skill. Each of these has a drop-down icon so you can read them. And then the other icon is to copy and edit the guided skill. What this allows you to do is take what we've created and you can edit it to tailor it to your needs. You can also create a guided skill from scratch. I will now click on the tile and I will hit launch. When you hit launch, what the tool will do is create a new session with the guided skill attached. I will attach the search report that I want to have auto analyze. You'll see that it's being indexed. And once that's attached, you'll see that there. You can remove it. You can also disable it. And now I will select the prompt that I want to use and then hit send. So now what Otto will do is analyze the search report and work through the 3 points in the prompt A, B, and C. This is a pretty extensive search report, so this is going to be a longer response. But you'll see here at the bottom, there's a decision matrix, there's a conclusion section. And now what I'm going to ask Otto to do is draft a client email that's summarizing the findings from the previous response. And what I'm going to ask Otto to do is be concise and keep the email short. So here's an email draft. To further customize, you can attach your own email templates and include those in the prompt, attach them as an additional file. But this is the client email, and then you can copy the text to your clipboard and then paste it into your email draft. Next, I'll cover our guided skill for watch notice analysis. So Otto IP can help provide in-depth evaluation of your watch notifications, provide actionable guidance on how to proceed, and then again, ready client correspondence that you can quickly send. What you see here is a separate workspace. What I've uploaded is the watch notice, the application for my client's mark, and a description of the goods and services for my client's mark. And then what I'll do here is again hit the plus button to start a new session. We'll launch a guided skill, and then I will search for the guided skill specific to watch notice analysis. Again, you can click on the info button to preview the user guide, the LLM instructions, and the available prompts. And when you're ready to move forward, you'll hit attach. So I will now attach the files to Otto's context. Again, you'll see those there. So this is the prompt I want to use, but I want to edit this a bit. So once you've added the preloaded prompt into the chat bar, you can edit it. So I'm going to change this up a bit and take out the reference to the 15 findings and just change it to I've just uploaded this month's watch report. And so now for each finding, it'll work through items A, B, and C. So for each mark found in the search report, it'll include the opposition deadline, the threat assessment, what the challenges might be, recommended next action, and again, the deadline for the next step. Some other documents that you could either upload and attach as context or include in a preloaded guided skill could be your client's portfolio, so that Otto takes a more holistic approach to, analyzing the watch notices against the entire portfolio. And again, I will ask Otto to draft a client email. So again, I'm free-forming this, so the email drafts that you're seeing are going to be created from Otto. But again, you can attach email templates as an additional document to context. And again, you can include those in any preloaded saved guided skills or prompts that you create for further customization. Then we'll hit send. And then what you'll see is the draft email from Otto. If you want Otto to make any updates before you copy it, you can most certainly do so. So you can ask it to, redraft the email to be shorter or to focus on different, points in the summary of the watch notices. And then again, when you're done and you're happy with the email draft, you'll copy the text to your clipboard. And lastly, I wanted to cover on Otto IP's ability to analyze images. So Otto can help provide detailed visual comparisons, trademark assessments for for the logos and images that are attached, can provide clear next steps tailored to your unique situation. And again, similar to the search reports and the watch notices, you can have Otto help draft client communication. So what I've uploaded in this workspace are two logos. The one logo is my client's proposed logo mark, and the other image is a logo that was populated in a search report. So what I'm going to do here is start a new session and select image analysis. I will attach the two logos to context. What I'm going to do this time is select a trademark from, select a prompt from one of my saved prompt sets. So I have a prompt here, and essentially what the tool is going to do is compare these two logos. The client logo, the logo for my client, is intended to be used in all 50 states. The image that was picked up in the search report is currently in use, but only on the West Coast. And so that's the context that I gave to Otto. So now Otto is going to compare these images, provide its recommendation and next steps. It's going to provide a risk assessment, all here for you to review. And what I'm going to do is save this prompt response to the AI docs folder. So we'll give it a name, we'll give it notes. And now this response is saved to the workspace. So when we jump over to starting a new session, we'll start a conversational session. We'll jump over to the AI Docs folder. And then what we'll do is attach this document. So we're attaching the comparison that Otto did as a file, and then we're going to ask Otto to draft an email. The reason that we have to do this is each session is its own unique universe. So even though the sessions are within the same workspace, they're separate from one another. So there's no commingling of any of the information or the conversation histories within each session. So to use a response from one session to be considered as context for another session, you'll have to save it and then attach it as what I just showed you here. So again, here's the client email. We're happy with it, so we'll copy it to the clipboard. And then you can paste it into your email draft. So that's what I've had. That's what I had ready to cover with everyone today. So we are offering free trials. So if you're interested in learning more, you can reach out to me directly. You can reach out to our sales team. You can also reach out to Jim directly. So all their information is here. But now we'll pause and answer any questions that were posed in the chat. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like we have any questions in the chat right now. So I really appreciate everyone's time today.
Mike, we do have one
Oh, we do.
question,
Okay.
sorry. If you have a standard email reporting template that includes a chart from a search vendor, can that be incorporated?
So as long as the chart is in context, then Otto will be able to analyze that portion and include it in its output. You just have to make sure that that chart is in context. If it's not, then you could set up the email template in Otto to include the section, and then once you paste it into, say the email draft or even into Word, then you could copy and paste the chart into the template that way.
Great. We did also have one question about the slides, and the slides will be made available on our website following the webinar.
Yeah, thanks, Erica. Yep, so the recording of this webinar will be available on our YouTube channel. The slides will be available on our website. Again, you can reach out to me directly or one of the contacts that's listed on this slide here. We're happy to provide the slides to you that way as well. What I prepared for today was more of a basic overview of the tool's capabilities. Understand each of your practices is going to be unique. You have your own email templates and way of doing things. And so I do want to stress again that Otto IP can be customized to fit those needs. So I'm happy to tell you more and kind of walk through how you can customize the tool. But we really appreciate everyone's time joining this afternoon, and hope you have a great rest of the day and great rest of your week.